Today, we're going to do a gummy bear lab about osmosis. Your lab sheet tells you to get your materials, review the vocabulary words osmosis, cell membrane, water molecules, transport, concentration, selectively permeable, and passive transport. Number 1, make a prediction. How will soaking your gummy bear in water affect the size of the gummy bear? Take a minute now and make a prediction. What do you think will happen if you put a gummy bear in water? Now we're going to do some measurements and we're going to fill in our data table. So you should have a data table that looks like this, and it says bear 1 before soaking in tap water, bear 2 before soaking in salt water. This is where we're going to fill out our information. The first thing we have to do is find the height and width of our gummy bears. So bear number 1 before soaking in tap water is going to be our green bear. So here's our little green gummy bear. And we're going to take some measurements. His height is 2.5 centimeters. 2 centimeters. So on your data table, fill in 2 centimeters for the height of bear number 1. The width is 1 centimeter. So fill in height 2 centimeters, width 1 centimeter. Now let's check its mass or its weight. We're going to measure the mass in grams. If I can get my scale to work. You can also do a description here of this gummy bear. Okay. So we're going to change our scale here to grams. That's what we're going to measure in. The mass or the weight of this gummy bear is 3 grams. So on your data table, 3 grams, and then a description of this gummy bear. It's kind of squishy. It is green. It's bear-shaped. Anything that you can use to describe this gummy bear. Now let's do the same thing for our second gummy bear. He's yellow. So we're going to take our height. Our gummy bear is, he's about 2 centimeters high. And our width, he's about, let's say 1 centimeter wide. Now we'll check our mass and our weight. Our yellow gummy bear is 2 grams. So a little bit small, 3 grams. Between 2 and 3. Let's see where it finally settles out. 2 grams. Your weight or your mass is 2 grams. And then draw a description. This one is also squishy and bear-shaped. Now we're going to put each of these gummy bears into some water. We have regular tap water in cup number 1, just regular old water. And we're going to put our first gummy bear in there, gummy bear number 1. And then in our second cup, we have regular tap water, and we've put just some regular salt right from my kitchen. Just regular salt in there also. And we're going to put gummy bear number 2 in there. And we're going to leave these for about a day and come back and see how they look.